Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and install TikTok Live Studio in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. So if you're trying to install TikTok Live Studio in your device, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your browser. So just select any browser that you have, and after opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for TikTok Live Studio download. And after searching for that, now you'll find this option which is Download Live Studio. Just tap on Download Live Studio. And now in order to download your Live Studio, what you have to do is just simply tap on Free Download for Windows. And now you will start downloading your Live Studio over here. So if you'll tap on the download icon which is on the top right, then you will find that your Live Studio is installed. And after completing this installation process, you can access your Live Studio. So after completing the installation process, now what you can do is just simply tap on it and then open it. And after opening it, now just tap on yes. And after tapping on yes, now you just have to install your TikTok Live Studio. So what you can do is just simply tap on install. And after tapping on install, it will start installing in your device. So just wait until the installation process is completed. And after completing the installation process, now you just have to tap on finish. And after tapping on finish, again tap on yes. And now you have successfully installed TikTok Live Studio in your device. So now if you'll just come back, and after coming back, now here you can see guys the TikTok Live Studio has been successfully installed in your device. Now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, now you just have to log in with the same account. So you just have to log in with the TikTok account which you use in your TikTok Live Studio. After doing that, you can access your TikTok Live Studio. That's it guys, this is how to download and install TikTok Live Studio in your Windows PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.